Now you can leverage artificial intelligence to help you generate mortgage leads. I'm going to show you how we've set up an AI assistant that instantly engages your website visitors, answers their program questions, offers rate quotes, all while generating leads for you. Alright, so check it out. When somebody's on your website, you can put one of these AI assistant chatbots like I've done here. This is an example I've created in a blog post that you can find at Fast Pages 365, How to Use AI to Generate Mortgage Leads. So watch what happens when I click this button right here. So here you can see it opened up the chatbot that says, hey, what questions do you have about the Zero Down program? I'm just going to go ahead and ask it a generic question. Now, because this is a chatbot that is connected to ChatGPT, it's able to generate a custom response that is always going to be a little bit different for every user. That response was generated by the prompt that we gave the chatbot. Let's ask it another question. What's the down payment max help? And here you can see it says, hey, the down payment program is 3% of the home's purchase price with a cap at 15 grand. What would you like to do now? Now it offers me to ask another question of the AI, get rates, or a live chat. Let's go ahead and get rates. So now you can see that my email was auto-populated into the software. I did not have to type it in. And it's hard for people to spoof this because it's auto-populated by Facebook. Same thing with my phone number. Hard for people to spoof because it's auto-populated with the information saved in Facebook. Now here you can see I've got a rate quote set up that offers a rate and an APR, and then it's got a disclosure in here saying, hey, that rates are subject to change based on credit worthiness. It's not a commitment to lend, right? Because you got to be in compliant. Now, what would you like to do? Would you like to chat with us or ask another question? Let's go ahead and chat. Just going to go ahead and say, hey, please call me ASAP. And look at there. Thanks for your question. We'll send a quick notification as soon as we get back to you. If it's after normal business hours, we may respond the next day. How cool is that, right? Now check this out. Here you can see I got a notification via email saying that Tim Armstrong has a question in the Zero Down chat. Please call me ASAP. I can view it live on ManyChat right in the software. And here you can see my Google Sheet has populated with my contact ID, the date and time I subscribed. All my contact information is in there along with the question. Please call me ASAP. Now, why is this so important? This allows you to focus on high value tasks while still generating leads 24/7. So this thing is going to automatically engage anybody who's got questions and wants more information while you keep working. You're going to enjoy better lead management with Google Sheets integrations so that you can manage and follow up with your leads in a more streamlined and efficient way. And you got to know that you're going to enjoy more conversions because engaging prospects in real time can increase conversions by offering answers and rate quotes instantly. Now, this is the best part. This thing is fully customizable. The brains of this is right here in the prompt. We give it all the raw data and it goes ahead and generates the answers for your users. And if you start noticing that there are questions that this doesn't know the answers to, all we've got to do is go ahead and come in here and update the question and answer section and it'll know the answer from then on out. So it can totally evolve with your customers' questions. Now you can go try out this chatbot by visiting Fast Pages 365 and go to our blog, either here in the menu or by scrolling down the page to our blog where you can see AI mortgage leads right here. Just click read more and here you can see is my blog article. There will be a copy of this video in here as well. And here's the AI chatbot that you can try out for yourself. And of course, I've set up my own AI chatbot right here. So if you've got any questions, you can ask it anything right here. So go ahead and give everything a try. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or chat with me here on my AI assistant. So thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more tips on how to level up your mortgage business with automation and smart marketing.